Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Staybridge Suites Bowling Green, an IHG hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. This Bowling Green, Kentucky hotel is 4 minutes drive from the Western Kentucky University and 6 miles from Interstate 65. The hotel has free Wi-Fi and serves a daily breakfast buffet. Each room at the Staybridge Suites Bowling Green has a kitchen complete with an oven, stove and refrigerator. A flat-screen cable TV with also provided with a DVD player. Guests staying at the Bowling Green Staybridge Suites can enjoy swimming in the outdoor pool or exercising in the fitness center. There is also an on-site business center. Beech Bend Park Splash Lagoon is 15 minutes drive from the property. National Corvette Museum is 8 miles away. Downtown Nashville is just a 1-hour drive away from Bowling Green. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.